Hello everyone, my name is Mujahid Hussain, Director of Flyworld Overseas Company. So the Germany has opened their doors for Indians. This is a very great opportunity for you. You will have open work permit visa in Germany where you earn more than 1000 euro per month. Okay, and the age limit is 18 to 30 years. Come along with the degrees of A3, A4, A5. That means engineers, doctors, or BCom background or BSc background. Come along with the graduation certificates, and where we have the university checklist. Ambedkar University, OU, JNTU, all the universities we have. So we just check it, cross it, and then immediately we'll go for VFS. Okay, and we have very safe and very fastest process. So don't wait for anything. Just call me on my given number and reach to my at my office. And one more news, one more very good news for UK. We have also open work permit in UK where we have only 3000 visas in the month of January. This month, January 25, you have to register yourself. By next month, in the month of February 2025, where you have to, we're going to start the visa process. Okay, guys. So for further information, please contact me on my given number or come to my office. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.